In a fraternity with 39 members, 18 take mathematics and chemistry, and 8 take neither mathematics nor chemistry. How many take chemistry but not mathematics? So the information looks pretty shuffled up, pretty mixed up. So we need to sort it out. So we're going to use two things to work this problem. We're going to use this formula, which is the union formula or the cardinality of the union. When we say the word cardinality, we're talking about an amount. The number, this n means the number of members or elements in the union, that U is the union. That means these two groups put together. And that equals the number of members in group A plus the number of members in group B minus the number of members in A and B. And now let's draw our Venn diagram. So that information can be put in a Venn diagram. They told us that there were 39 members in the fraternity. So the number of members in the universe, for this problem, the universe has 39 members. Each problem has its universe. This one is 39 big. So there are 39 members in the universe, which is this box. Inside the universe, we have different groups. The ones they're talking about are the math and the chemistry. Notice we're letting the A be the math group and B be the chemistry group. So now reading the information in the problem, they told us that there were 18 members in the A group. So there are 18 that are taking mathematics. 18 out of the 39 that are taking mathematics. Chemistry is going to be the B group. And they didn't give us the information as to how many members were in the chemistry group. So the number of members in the B group, which is the chemistry group, we don't know yet. They also told us that there were 5 out of the 39 that were taking mathematics and chemistry. So mathematics and chemistry, this intersection translates into an and. So the number of members of the 39 that are taking math and chemistry, there are 5. Now these numbers that you see here, these, we're going to put them into the formula. Start filling out the formula. So with the information we have so far, we could fill in the formula this much. We don't know how many are in either A or B or both, so we leave this one alone. We just copy it again. But we know that there are 18 that go in the math group. So this is replaced with an 18. We don't know how many are in the chemistry group, which is the B group. So we leave this one alone. They did tell us that there were 5 out of the 39 that were in math and chemistry. So this symbol is replaced with a 5. Now, what we have here, this step here, we know that the union would be these two circles put together. We know that we could find the number that corresponds to the union of these two circles if we subtract 8 from 39. So 39 minus 8, which are 8 are in either circle. So 39 minus 8 will give you how much the union is. These two circles put together is a union. So 39 minus 8 is 31. So if you put all the members of both circles together, that would be the union. So now we have the information for this part of the formula. So now we know that the union is 31. So we could replace these symbols with a 31. So this is what we have so far after plugging in whatever we have up to now. All the information we have up to now. If you plug it in, this is what you have. So notice we could figure out how many are in the chemistry circle. the chemistry group, the B. Just go 18 minus 5, and then move the number to the other side by subtracting, and that will give you how many are in the chemistry group. So 31 equals 13 plus the number of members in the chemistry group. And the 13 came from 18 minus 5 is 13. Now you move this 13 over by subtracting. So 31 minus 13 is 18. So now we found out how many are in the chemistry group. There are 18 members of the 39 that are taking chemistry. Therefore, this circle right here is worth 18. This 5 are the ones that are taking both math and chemistry. They're in the intersection. This whole circle, the B circle, is worth 18. So what we want are how many, we want to know how many are just taking chemistry, not math, just chemistry. So that would be the shaded area. So all you have to do is get the 18, which is the B circle, and subtract 5. Only chemistry, but not math. 18 minus 5, which is 13. So this shaded region is 13. And notice if you say 13 plus 5, you'll get your 18. But this number represents how many are taking just chemistry, but not math, just this shaded area. 13 are taking chemistry and not math.